Hello everyone, welcome to the practical series for SYCS class. So we are doing the computer networks practical. In this practical we'll see how we can connect the PCs using a 3-layer switch. So this is the router, which is the 3-layer switch. So first we'll understand the topology which we'll be using in the Cisco packet tracer. So in this case we are using two routers. So this is a router, okay, this is one router, this is another router, okay, and we are connecting this router, two routers, and at the one end we have a switch. So this is a switch, and through the switch we are connecting 4 PCs. Same way we are doing this, the same thing, using this at the other end. Then the thing which is written in this 10.0.0 in the red with red pen, this is also written with that pen. So this is the network address. Okay, so here we have 3 networks. One, the network address is 10.0.0.0, other is 20.0.0.0, and third is 30.0.0.0. Now coming to this particular network, we start with the address 10.0.0.1. We assign this to this router, this particular interface of the router 10.0.0.1. You must remember that which what is the address of each of the interface of the router. So this is 10.0.0.1. Then we connect the PCs here. So because this is the network address, okay, so we assign this address 10.0.0.2, then 10.0.0.3, 4 and 5. These are the addresses, okay. Then in this case, when we are connecting the two routers, so there is an interface here. As we can see, the address of this interface is 20.0.0.1, and this is 20.0.0.2. So because this network is 20.0.0, so these are the addresses. Then the third network is 30.0.0.0, this one. So the address, the very first address is assigned to the interface of the router, and the other after 30.0.0.1 we have 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have assigned this to the other PCs. Now let us see how we connect this in Cisco packet tracer. So we have connected this. Now we must take a care that while connecting the router, see, we have used, there are, if you observe, there are two interfaces here, and while connecting we have connected this 00 FA00 here with this FA00. So while configuring the addresses, we must know what the interface we have connected to this particular to the other end. Okay, so as you can see, in this case we have two interface, fast ethernet 00, fast ethernet 01. So this what we have done here, the interface 00 is connected with the interface of 00 here, and this is 01, and this is also 01. So we must not jumble up the address. So sometimes what happens, we take this 00 and configure some different address, and here we have taken 01 and we have configured some different address. So we must remember what we have done here. Okay, now let us assign the addresses. Now after configuring the PCs, we need to configure the routers. So first we'll just assign the IP address. So I'll click here. Now as we can see, there are two interfaces. This is fast Ethernet 00, and we have connected this fast Ethernet 0 is interface is connected with this particular router, and the address as we have seen is 20.0. So I will first turn it on and then assign the address as 20.0.0.1. Okay, then sorry, 20.0.0.1. okay, and then come to the next interface. Now this is this particular interface. Okay, so as soon as I turn it, this becomes green. Now the address is actually 10.0.0.1. okay, then we come to the next router. This is our next router, other router. So first of all we go to config and this 00. I just turn it on. See, as soon as turn it on, this becomes green because previously we had turned this on, but when it becomes when we turn it on, both will become green together. So the address is 20.0.0.2. okay, then the address of this particular interface, okay, this one. See, as we turn it on, it becomes green. So this is 30.0.0.1. okay, so this is what we get. Now we have already assigned the IP address. Let us see whether we are able to ping PC 0 to any of the PC in the other network. So I just click here, then go in this command prompt mode. In command prompt mode, I type the address ping 30.0.0.2. okay, now as you can see, we are getting the message destination host is not reachable. It is unreachable. So why it is unreachable? Because we are not set the routing path. Okay, so that is now what we are going to do. So we click on router. Okay, in router we click on RIP and add the networks, and this network information will be shared by each router. Now this particular router is connected to two networks. One is 10. and the other network is 20.0.0.0. so we need to add this information. So I will add this 10.0.0.0.0, and I will add also 20.0.0.0. okay, these two networks are connected to this router, so I have added this information. Now I come to the other router. Okay, click on RIP. Now this particular router is connected with 20.0.0.0 and 30.0.0.0. You can also refer to the diagram which I showed at the start of the video. So this 20.0.0.0, I add this, and then 30.0.0.0. so these two networks are added. Now let us try the ping message again. So I come here, okay, and then on the command prompt I type the same message again. Let us see whether we are able to ping it now. Okay, first, okay, now you can see we are getting the reply. Okay, this we are getting the reply. The first message was lost, but the three message we got the reply. We can try it again. Now you can see we are getting the reply. So this is done. Okay, we can also try from this end to the other end. Okay, we can ping a PC from this end to the other end also. So I'll just type the message ping 10.0.0. okay, let us try 3. Okay. So we are getting the reply from the other end also. So this is how we have completed. Okay, so that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.